Sawadee Krap! Good morning everybody from Koh Kood. We are going to start the morning with a quick visit to the gym to get the blood flowing. Then we are going to have some breakfast, and then after that, I'm not really sure. I may go snorkeling out here off the beach, probably will. It is a beautiful day, the sun is shining. We may end up going to the waterfall, not really sure, but you guys are coming along with us. Today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you lovers out there. And again, it is Apple and I 12-year wedding anniversary, so that is amazing. All right, you guys, let's get the day going. Okay, and there it is. Not bad. I'm gonna get a little something going. Apple, you also?
Yes, elliptical is my favorite machine.
Okay.
And yes, just go around.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay guys, today we're gonna bring you on the motorbike tour. We are going to Waterfall, and then we will go to another waterfall named Chang.
Today we are on a waterfall adventure. Apple says she remembers the route sort of from the last time that we were here. So Apple is driving. I am the added weight. It makes it quite difficult for Apple, but she drives nice and slow, although she does like to brake pretty hard and I get to eat the back of her head. But anyway, it rained all night, so we're not sure about the conditions of the little dirt road that lead to the waterfall. So if it gets a little sketchy, we're either gonna walk it or we're gonna give up. I'm not really sure. But that is what we're up to today, so wish us luck. So we just stopped and got gas to top off the motorbike, but when you are reptile minded, you notice stuff. So we found some sulcata tortoises. Random discovery. Reptiles on the mind, always. Apple has done a great job, although there's not a lot of roads here to get lost, but she seemed like she remembered exactly how to get here. So there are a few motorbikes here. That's kind of how you judge how many people are going to be here. So maybe a dozen people, something like that. So I don't remember how long the walk was, but I'll be there in a second. How's the water? Cold?
Yes.
Okay, on to the next waterfall. That was a lot more kids than I prefer, especially screaming and yelling. So hopefully the next waterfall will be more quiet. Although somehow I doubt it, but we'll see. At least those kids are not following us. So Apple, tell everyone where we're at right now.
We are at Krong Chao Waterfall.
And what did we find at the beginning of the trail?
Sticky rice and barbecue pork. He said we...
So we are going to have ourselves a little snack. Not really lunch, but we're going to have a snack at the waterfall. The lady said that we can eat it over there. Just have to pack the trash back out, of course, like we always do no matter where we go. It looks like this is, Apple says, I can't remember, but Apple says that this trail is new. Nice concrete brick walkway. So, Apple, was this a long trail to the waterfall? Longer than the last one?
No.
Short?
It's easier. The last one is shorter, but it's steep down. This one is longer, but it's easier walking.
Okay. Okay, let's check out this waterfall, you guys. So far, the weather is cooperating. I think we're gonna be okay. It might rain later on this evening, but we'll be done with all of our activities by then. Let's check it out. So we are at the Tinkerbell Resort. We did not stay here. This is like a 5-star, pretty expensive place. They have a really nice beach and it doesn't cost to just come here even if you're not staying at the resort. Came here once before, it's very relaxing. So we're gonna hang out here at the beach for a little bit. Apple's not quite hungry yet for lunch because she had that snack. I could eat, I cannot eat, I can wait. So I'm gonna wait for Apple to get some appetite and gonna go swim and enjoy ourselves.
Welcome to our private dinner right here in front of the ocean. Beautiful White Sand Beach. Sit down, my love.
Thank you.
Are you really hungry?
I am. I'm always hungry.
Yes. What are you looking forward to eat? Cheesecake.
Yeah. Steak.
Yes, they will serve as
What else?
sirloin,
Some soup, some
onion soup.
I don't remember what it is. I don't know. All right, you guys, here's the deal. The resort is putting on this Valentine's Day shindig. I guess there were 5 of us, 5 couples that signed on for it. It's like a dinner set. They set up these nice little deals here on the sand. The weather is not really cooperating, but you know what? We just said screw it. We're just gonna do it and see what happens. It hasn't poured rain, but it is drizzling a little bit, but there's some kind of cover here and we're just gonna do it.
No, like 1,000 stars.
My hair's not gonna get messed up, so what do I care? All right, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, Apple.
Thank you, baby, and happy anniversary to us.
Yes, happy anniversary to us. And there's wine coming, so
Apple gonna be drunk, I guess. Either pick me up at the ocean or on top of the coconut trees.
All right, we'll see how this goes.
It's coming. Damn, that's the sound that I recognize. My love first.
Oh.
I got some extra. Smell nice. Cheers, you guys.
Well, you guys, it happened. We got rained out. Thunder, lightning, rain, the whole bit. We lost our fancy little beach setup. The food is still good. It's the same menu. It's just that we're sitting under cover. That's the way it is, right? You just can't control the weather.
So finally our main course is come. We have a sirloin steak. It looks really nice. It looks really yummy.